Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by ensuring the laptop is on AC power and connected to the internet. Create a restore point so you can revert if needed. Next, open Start, type Device Manager, and press Enter to view all hardware. Once the window is open, scan the list for devices with yellow warning icons or an unknown device entry. These are the ones to update first. Make sure to note the exact device name shown, because the next steps require matching drivers precisely. Once you've identified a target device, right-click it and choose Update Driver, then select Search automatically for drivers to let Windows try first. If Windows can't find one, open Properties, go to Details, pick Hardware IDs, and copy the top value to confirm the exact driver. Then visit Dell Support, enter your service tag or model, and locate the driver matching that hardware ID and your OS. Download the driver package labeled for your system and keep the file in an easy-to-find folder. To finish, run the downloaded installer or in Device Manager, choose Update Driver, right arrow browse My Computer, and point to the folder you saved. Follow prompts and install. Once the installation completes, reboot the laptop to load the new driver, then reopen Device Manager to confirm the warning icon is gone and functionality is restored. If something breaks, use Device Manager to roll back driver or restore the system point you created. These steps quickly undo problematic updates and get you back to a working state.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.